If you're looking for income potential, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and under 750,000, welcome to St. Petersburg. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today we're in St. Petersburg at 3701 30th Avenue North, and we have a 4 bedroom, 3 bath property, and it is amazing. Let's get started. Completely renovated. I love the coloring. Yard work is good. I like the walkway. It's fenced in for those with pets. Let's go in. Beautiful, beautiful, wide open concept, kitchen, living room combination, almost a great room when you think about it. Here's the living room and den, and my son trying to hide. Let's go to the primary suite first. Down the hallway to the right, you have a large bedroom, staged well, still open. Here's the ensuite. You got a nice, large stand-up shower with shelves. I like that. And things you don't see, the small things. A place to put your towels. You'd be surprised how many homes you'll go to, well done, but you didn't think about the fact that, oh yeah, we need towels when we take a shower. Let's go into the walk-in closet. Good size. You can almost hear an echo. Comfortably fits a king-size bed, well flanked by the windows and the drapery, ceiling fan. Let's go into the other 2 bedrooms in this part. These 2 rooms, large, I would say a queen bed, nice walk-in closets, and of course, room for a large flat screen. The same on this side. Easily accompanies a queen, vanity tables, walk-in closet. And of course, the flat screen. And these 2 share the second bathroom in this property. And I said this property because there is a detached accessory dwelling unit, or ADU, for those of you that are fancy. Let's step out the house. This is the garage with a little G, because this is the one that could a mother-in-law suite or wonderful rental options. Nice patio in front of the driveway. Let's go. We're gonna climb up the stairs to the second story. And we're greeted with great air conditioning because it's 95 degrees right now. And it's beautiful. It's a nice 1 bed, 1 bath studio. You got the flat screen, nice couch to relax in, laundry, stainless steel appliances, everything's been renovated, and the ceilings are also 10 feet. Bathroom, well appointed, looks great, well designed. And here's the bedroom, large flat screen. They got a king and a twin here, so that you can have the parents and the child here enjoying either a short or long-term rental, especially with the washer. And here, the closet. Nice, deep, large room to accommodate multiple people. So this is a great short-term rental potential. If you're in New York, this would probably be considered another bedroom. So yeah, very nice. Glad you enjoy. This was an amazing property. The listing agent is a colleague of mine at Real Broker, Senya Korneva. This is a great opportunity for family, investors, someone looking for extra income, or if you're looking for a mother-in-law suite in St. Petersburg. We're 25 minutes from the airport. We're 20 minutes from all the beaches from Clearwater down to St. Pete and Treasure Island. And if this home is of interest to you, or you just want to know more about some properties that also have either rental opportunities or mother-in-law suites here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County, I'm your guy. This is Christian Abouche, licensed agent with Real Broker. Give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Have a wonderful day.